One is the reliability of the experience mentioned by the candidate in the resume or CV. We do not have really any such thing available that before we call that candidate, we are able to fix or find out that whatever has been written in the CV is true. These days, many candidates, they are getting their CVs prepared by professionals. And many such kind of things can be mentioned in those CVs which are not true. So in talent acquisition cycle, probably we do not have any such process which can find out the truth before candidate is invited for the interview. And many times that wastes a lot of time. When candidate turns up, then we realize he is not the right fit. So I do not know, and I am at the loss to share right now what should be the device through which we come to know about the truth, number one. Number two, somewhere I feel India is the growing economy, and we have high expectation from the country. Without talent, probably it will not work to become the number one. Talent is already there, it is not there. It is not like this, it is not there, it exists. But where it is and whether it will fit into our kind of profile, for that matter, if India comes up with some talent bank or depository wherein the talent acquisition managers, they go and put in certain filters and get right kind of profile available, that will help a lot, and it is missing. I think in future such kind of bank will be developed, but right now if it comes over, probably it will serve a lot both organization, candidate and talent acquisition manager in finding out the right fit or the right job.